Alright, what's up guys? So today's lesson will be a lot more simple, actually like extremely simple. Today we're gonna learn a very simple idea, right? We're gonna learn how to compare normal digits and factors and also decimals. So this should be very simple, of course, because we've studied factors, decimals, and normal digits very thoroughly. So you can't, just compare them. Then I don't know why I wasted so many videos for, but let's just hope you did. All right. So I'll give you a simple comparison. I'll give you a couple of seconds to think about it, and then you give me the answer, and I'll prove it if it's right or not. So we have keep in mind this is just an easy level. So here, quick little math problem. All right, that's enough time. So immediately you can easily assume that 4.27 is the larger number because it's the first digit that counts, not the numbers before it. So immediately we can tell it's larger. Now let's move on to a normal digit. And just as easily, if you look carefully enough, you can see that the last two digits of both numbers, one is 25 digits higher. So this again is a higher number. So now let's go on with a factor to, refresh your mind a bit. So for the sake of ease, I'll give you each a equal denominator, sorry. 15. However, the numerator won't be so easy to compare. So now, okay, maybe, just maybe, all right, not all of you, but some of you probably assume that the larger number is negative 3.75. But hate to break it to you, but that's kind of wrong. Because in negative in numbers, the smaller the number is, because it's closer to zero, the larger it actually gets. So it's not the number that counts, it's not, the front number, it's rather like how small it is. I don't know why I said that, that did not make sense. So for the sake of ease, you can immediately tell this one is larger than that one, and the story. So now let's move on to a little bit more complicated. All right, we're going to compare a normal digit to a factor. Sorry. Oops. All right, so you have a couple of time to think about it. So yeah, here we go. So for the sake of simplicity, I'll explain. So 2/5, you can immediately tell it's not equal, into a decimal immediately. So let's assume that it's 100, all right? So 5 will divide by 100 is equals 20, and then 20 times 2 equals 40. So you can change this into 40, but you shouldn't do this on like a test. You should do it on like a math paper, not on the actual test. You get this because, you might get a fail for it. So 40 is larger than 25, so you can just write down 40 is larger than 25. So now let's do a factor against a decimal, all right? All right, this will be the last math problem. This should be easy enough. So 0, not 25, 75 hundredths, would you rather say it, and 5 tenths. Obviously, it's pretty simple. 5 tenths, you simplify it, you get 1/2. which is, so yeah, 0.78 is larger than 5/10. Well, alright, so that there was a quick little lesson about comparing different types of numbers. So I hope this video was, I don't know how it would be useful for you guys anymore, but let's just hope it was. Because my mom's been wasting money on me for this. Alright? Like, please.